In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to watch movies on Stremio. Stremio is a fantastic platform for streaming and organizing your favorite movies and shows all in one place. Whether you're new to Stremio or just looking to fine-tune your streaming experience, I'm here to guide you through every step. Let's get started with the first step, downloading and installing Stremio from the official website. This is a crucial step to ensure you have the legitimate version of Stremio, so make sure you head to their official site. Once you've downloaded the installation file, follow the prompts to complete the installation on your device. It's straightforward, and within minutes, you should have Stremio up and ready to go. After you've installed Stremio, open it up. If you're a new user, you'll need to create a free account, which is quick and easy. For returning users, simply sign in. One of the great features of Stremio is that once you're logged in, your library and watch history can sync across all your devices, making it super convenient to pick up where you left off no matter where you are. Now, it's time to find a movie you want to watch. You can use the search bar if you have a specific title in mind. However, if you're open to suggestions, the Discover section is a treasure trove of movies sorted by genre and popularity. Take your time browsing until you find something that piques your interest. When you've settled on a movie, click on its title to open its details page. Here you'll see a wealth of information about the movie, including an intriguing synopsis, ratings, and more. Next, let's talk about add-ons. In Stremio, add-ons are essential as they provide the content catalogs and streaming sources you need to watch movies. You can manage these by clicking the puzzle piece icon in the add-ons section. Don't worry if this sounds complex. It's as simple as selecting the add-ons that align with your viewing preferences and installing them with just a click. Once your add-ons are set up, it's time to choose an available stream source and click play. Now your movie should start playing. During playback, you have several options to enhance your viewing experience. If subtitles enhance your enjoyment, you can enable them and even change their language and size. For those watching TV series, autoplay can be a useful feature, ensuring smooth transitions between episodes. Don't forget you can adjust various player settings to tailor the viewing experience to your liking. Lastly, if you have movie files saved on your computer, don't overlook the simplicity of dragging and dropping them directly into Stremio. This allows you to watch local content with the same ease and flexibility the platform offers for streamed material. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to watching movies on Stremio. Enjoy the seamless experience and the wide variety of content available at your fingertips. Happy streaming!